Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and say hello to the 2017 BMW M3 Competition. Okay, let's check out and see what we get when you spend your money on a 2017 BMW M3 Competition. All right, so let's kick this baby into gear, shall we? Get that great sounding engine for a start. If you look at the dash, M emblem there, M emblem there, just lets you know where you are in life. But everything here is pretty much familiar to all BMWs. I've got a BMW from 2007 and the gauges look pretty similar there. Okay, so everything where it should be here, all the boring stuff. We've got that BMW navigation system there, or the iDrive system here. So it's being operated by that, and by turning that gets you to all your different menus there. If you go into My Car, then it's just all straightforward here. iDrive 1 and 2 and all that sort of stuff. So no need we go back out of there. But everybody knows, if you know BMW, you know this system. It's been in their cars for quite a while now. This car has adjustable suspension here, as you can see there. If we push that, let's see if anything happens. It goes to Sport Plus there, and Comfort and Sport. So we'll leave that in Comfort at the moment, shall we? Right. Again, this sets up your steering wheel. It's the same kind of deal here, and I guess that's how quickly your car is going to change gear. So I think you can set everything up there. Don't take my word for it, but that's what I believe that is. Okay, so this particular car comes with a Harman Kardon stereo system. No roof in here, but when do you ever see a roof in some of these cars? It's got a carbon fiber top on this one. So yeah, that's what we're playing about. Loads of bits of carbon fiber all around this car actually. If you can see here, this nice little insert here, and on the dash here as well, and also outside of the car as well, loads of carbon fiber. So 2017, 450 brake horsepower. It's a competition. Now, if you're not familiar with the competition cars, they're the ones that give you just that bit more. All the details to that you can find, I guess, on the website where this car's been sold, Auto Group and RB. But it also comes with 25 more horsepower. So 25 more horses in this car. So M seats, you've got to love M seats, haven't you? So this one comes with the emblem right in the middle there, and it's deep set, so you don't actually feel that. Perforated seats, and great bolster in here as well. And sometimes I find them kind of seats uncomfortable, but these ones really seem to hug you, and I'm a big kind of guy, so really, really comfortable. It keeps you in that driving position, that perfect driving position as well. Right, this car also comes with memory seats as well. A nice little M3 badge there, and basically it's an M3. and a good one. And it's for sale, and it's got really low miles on this one as well. So if you're interested, go to the website, links in the description, and get yourself a bargain. Oh. Okay, so we are in the F30 BMW M3. Right, you know me and BMWs, I always feel nice and home here. It's time to take this baby out on the road and see what she's all about. Right, so you guys ready? Dual clutch gearbox. Right, let's put it in drive and let's go. Right, straight away the engine roaring at you. Really nice hard steering in this. It looks like this car's been lowered a little bit because it's sitting very, very low. So I'm going to have to take it nice and carefully over these bumps. But straight away hopping out of my normal BMW 3 Series into this, you can tell straight away you're in a different animal. An absolutely different world. So we'll take it nice and easy for the beginning here. We're in a 30 zone at the moment, so and we're going to allow the car to warm up a little bit as well. But we're not going to do anything silly in this, because as always, this is not my car. I've just been given the pleasure of driving it. So, some car facts. 2017 model BMW M3 Competition. Now, competition, what does competition give you? It gives you about 25 more brake than the normal M3s on the market. And as I'm driving now, head up display, so we can stay on the right side of the law at all times. Right, so we've got this baby up to temperature now, so let's see what a 2017 BMW M3 Competition is all about on these windy roads. First, excellent grip, absolute grip all day. Add to it the soundtrack, you got yourself a nice little car here. Oh, that's a great sound. I'm not sure how much that's picking up on camera, but that's a great sound. We're gonna get some mics at the back of that car later on, so you can hear it yourself. Because what a sound! Driving around in the M3, thrill factor, it's right up there. It's definitely the high 8s. I mean, M-Power cars on the whole, I mean, you've got to drive one. If you're a BMW fan, like myself, this is the place you need to be every now and then. whether you can afford it or not, take an opportunity to rent one, drive one. It's an experience. It's the ultimate BMW experience. So I'm going to give this one a 8, whereas the M2, I had to give that one a 9 just for the thrill of that car. It was so raw. This one feels a bit heavier, and because of that, you don't get the thrill that you did with the M2. But this car is a bigger car. It's a bit of a bigger roar as well when that 6 starts moving. It's a high 8, but that's from me as a BMW man. If I had the choice, I'm gonna have to say the M2. But if I had the money, that's a hard one. So I hope you really enjoyed this show. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.